at Lewis's Lunch in New Haven, Connecticut, one of the most historic food spots in the country. Lewis's Lunch started out as a lunch wagon back in 1895, serving simple steak sandwiches. But here's where it gets really interesting. According to the restaurant, the hamburger was created right here in 1900. The story goes that a customer came in during a rush and needed something quick to eat on the go. So Lewis took steak trimmings, ground them up, and placed them between slices of toast, and just like that, what might be the world's first hamburger was born. In 2000, the Library of Congress backed this claim with support from U.S. Representative Rosa DeLauro. And the best part? You can still order that same burger today, more than 100 years later. The patties are made from a blend of 5 cuts of beef, ground fresh, and flame-broiled vertically in the same original antique grills dating back to 1898. You can top it with cheese. You can top it with cheese spread, tomato, or onion, but don't even think about asking for ketchup. Some traditions don't change, and here at Lewis's Lunch, that's kind of the whole point. Hey everyone, I'm John.
I'm Anne-Marie.
And we're here at Lewis's Lunch here in New Haven, Connecticut to have, I guess, something historic. And why is that, Anne-Marie?
Because we are about to eat the hamburger as it was invented in 1900.
I would say so. This is pretty basic. It is not even a hot dog bun. It is literally on
a hamburger bun.
Or a hamburger bun. It is on 2 pieces of white bread, and there's no fancy. There's no don't even ask for ketchup over here.
It comes like if you get it with everything, it's tomato and grilled onions and cheese, or you can just get it with cheese. Just get it with tomato. You can have any kind of combination of those, but that's it. There's no like lettuce. There's no like peppers or anything.
Yep. And it's cooked medium rare, so there's going to be a nice pink center. Also with that, we're going to be pairing with these Foxconn Park. They're
Foxen Park.
Foxen Park?
Yeah.
It's a local beer.
Soda.
Or soda. Local soda to Connecticut. And they've been around since 1922, and so I got the birch beer.
And I got cream soda.
So, with that, Emery, I think I'm pretty hungry. Let's dig in.
So as you can see,
it's very juicy too.
Very juicy and pink.
Just to give you an idea, look at that. Look at that cross section there. All right, here we go. The meat.
That was like a perfect medium rare.
Yeah. The meat is very lean. It's not like. It's not chewy or anything. It melts in your mouth.
Well, it's not ground beef.
No.
It is steak. It's 5 different cuts of like steak ends, basically ground up into the patty. Mm-hmm. So you're eating like a steak burger kind of.
And well, you can see all the juices that are rolling off on this thing.
And this place has been in in continuous operation since 1890s. And 1900 is when they invented the hamburger.
Yeah. And honestly, so obviously it doesn't come with ketchup or anything. You don't even need really any kind of it. All by itself is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And I know there's a lot of hype around this place, but I think this is like the real deal. Like,
you know what's nice is like it's simple and it's basic. You know, like it's not like it doesn't have to have like these fancy things. Like it just tastes good.
And it's funny because the flip side, we were at the Whopper bar. And here we are at Lewis's Lunch.
Having another burger.
But an excellent burger.
A lot cheaper.
And a lot cheaper. So, a burger is going to... How much does that run you?
Well,
I don't know the prices.
We got the one burger and we split it between the two of us, and the 2 drinks, it was $14. One of our meals at the Whopper bar was $15. So.
Correct. But so if you're ever in the Northeast and conveniently in New Haven, Connecticut, don't forget to stop at Lewis's Lunch. We will have the address and all the website stuff in the description below. So if you want to check them out, you can. They are closed Sundays and Mondays, so they're open Tuesday through Saturday. Saturday open till midnight. So
yeah, like tonight is when we're filming. This is a Friday, and they're open until midnight. So
yes. So, but yeah.
We can share too. We did come one other time before this where we were going to film something, but it was earlier in the day, right when they first opened, and there was a line out the door. And that says something for an establishment that's been open for over 100 years, that there's still a line out the door.
Yeah, absolutely. Also, completely random. So if none of you have ever had birch beer before, it tastes like if you were to like liquefy peppermint mints and you drink it, and it's really refreshing. It tastes really good. But if you're into that sort of thing, this is definitely right up your alley. And it's, well, if you're not on a diet.
I've never seen it outside of Connecticut. Like, I've only ever seen it in Connecticut. I don't know if it's just a Connecticut thing, but I've never seen it anywhere else.
Fox and Park, why don't you, I would love to pick these up in Florida. But yeah, that was our food review here at Lewis's Lunch.
You gotta give me the review.
Oh, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 Johns.
5 out of 5 memories.
Oh, it's a CFSAS gold star. But before we go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Central Florida Sights and Sounds. We have more other restaurant reviews, and yeah. Thank you for joining us here at Lewis's Lunch here in New Haven, Connecticut. Until then, happy eating.
I'm going to finish my burger now.
I'm going to finish my burger too.